Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on a laptop that doesn't power on. And what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, and it involves a battery. It's pretty simple. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is take off them screen hinges. Now my screwdriver's not working, so what I'm going to use is one of these. So well, as you can see, it didn't really work out that well. The screen's a bit fucked. I'm gonna big crack in there. What I'm gonna do is I reckon I can even it out if I try it again. Well, didn't work, so let's try it another way. I think that worked. So let's try and turn it on. I must have done something wrong, because it should be turning on right now. Pretty weird. Oh, I've got the screen off. So I think I might have to just take it to the shop, get it fixed.